fire. All right, y'all, it's Bear. Look here, it's time for more sides, hors d'oeuvres, and snacks for camp. That's right, we're going to do another one. You can do this on the fire. I'm doing it on the camp grill, but you can do it on the fire pit just as easy, okay? Remember when we did the jalapeno poppers? I saved half a can of my crab meat, okay? So I got crab meat, I got Biscuit cheddar biscuits, I got Old Bay, I've got chives, I've got parsley, I've got some extra cheddar, and a little oil for my baking pan. So let's get this guy going. We got to start mixing it up in the bag and see what we come up with. And I've taken these just add water biscuit mixes to camp. I've experimented with making biscuits all kinds of different ways. I don't have a Dutch oven. And I want a nice hearty dash of Old Bay in there. I want a good many chives in. I want like half my cheese. Maybe 2/3 of my cheese. Now, I'm just gonna mix this all up into the dry ingredients. We're gonna incorporate it around a little bit, and then we're gonna start adding the wet stuff. All right, so now once we've got that all ready, we're going to take and we're going to add my crab meat. This is about a half a can I'm putting in. And I'm going to put the liquid from the can in there also. So we're going to take that into account when we start adding liquid for the biscuit mix. Let's mix in the crab meat. All right, now this doesn't take a whole lot of water. So I'm gonna cut it just shy of its half cup or 4 ounces because we got the liquid from the can of crab meat, and we'll start with that. That might have been too much. I put about 3 ounces in there. And this is gonna be really wet. Oh wow, yeah, this is really wet dough. We don't need any more water. To make our drop biscuits, we're gonna go dumpling style. We're gonna squeeze them out of the bag. And get a pretty hearty opening. And let's see, we need our pan. And I'm gonna take my pan, and I'm gonna hit it with a little olive oil so we can eliminate some of the sticking. Now here we go. We're just gonna take this baggie, and just like we're icing a cake, we're shooting for 6 biscuits. And I might have made them a little big. We might only get 5 out of it. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and make 5 big ones. Good enough, right? So now we're gonna take and we're gonna top off with some extra cheese on top of each one. And some parsley. All right, now we gotta get the grill ready for some indirect heat. We're gonna go indirect heat now. All right, now we're gonna take a pan. We're gonna take a couple balls of aluminum foil. put our biscuit pan on top of that pan. And then we're gonna wrap. Big heavy duty foil. I want the more reflective side down. Alright y'all, there's a camp oven. Now we just let these guys go for about 15 minutes or so, and then we got biscuits. I just gave my biscuits a quick check, and I think they're ready. I'm not positive, this is a little bit of a guessing game, but we've been going for about 20 minutes at about 325. Okay, I've got a little oven thermometer in there, so I'm gonna take these off. And I just gave them a little poke, and my knife's coming out clean, but it is coming out a little bit wet. Let's see what we've got. You see them? There we go. Here's our crab cheddar biscuits. We're gonna let them hang out for a minute, cool off just a hair, and then we'll try one. They smell so good. I can smell the Old Bay and the crab. Oh, these are gonna be awesome. I got them a little bit wet, so they didn't rise a whole lot, but it'll be okay. All right, y'all, I let them rest a few minutes, and I was just able to cut out a cheddar biscuit and come off the pan nice. It's a touch wet. Can you see it? Look at that. Oh man, that is so good. If you like crab and cheddar biscuits, you got to do this at camp. It was just that easy. You saw it. What type of bread do you like to make at camp? Put it down there in the comments, and we'll see you on the trail.